Hello, my name's John Thorne from Thorney Motorsport, and this video is really about what we do for a living. Now, we do car sales, but the majority of the business, if not the vast majority, is McLaren servicing, maintenance and repairs. Includes paintwork as well, but primarily what we do is mechanical, good old-fashioned servicing. And as you can see, we have a fair few here, and I thought it was worthwhile explaining, because I had a few people asking what it is we do so differently to be reasonably successful as we are. There's 60 odd cars here right now, about how we do it differently and also how we are different to a dealer. Now, this is not necessarily negative on dealers. They have a different way of doing business and a different process, but we as an independent, and this also applies to all of our dealers around the world, we follow a different system based entirely about the car being central to what we do. So first things first, this applies to us here in the UK and all our dealers all around the world. The same process is how we follow for all of our franchise operations to give the same service to you around the world. And the crucial thing about it, the main ethos of everything that we do is, as far as we're concerned, when you bring your car to us, we will treat it like it's our car. We own it. We will treat it as if it's our own personal car itself, and therefore treat it in the same way you would treat your own personal. And then really that makes the tremendous difference to this. All we care about is the car. We make the joke that the customer's not the customer. The car is the customer. And the rule we have is, as you come down our driveway, as far as we're concerned, it's our car and we will treat it accordingly. So first things first, when it comes in, you'll drop your car off here or at the dealer, at one of our dealers obviously, and we will literally say, right, I will road test the car as it is. As it comes in, literally within the first 15, 20 minutes of being here, we'll road test the car. Myself or Tom, primarily it's me, so I do on average between 8 and 9 cars a day sometimes. And the idea here is we drive the car exactly how you feel it. So I will drive the car as you've driven it. I will feel what you're feeling, I will hear what you're hearing. And 9 times out of 10, that will identify a few issues to us straight away. And we always ask the question of the owner, any problems? And 9 times out of 10, they say it's all perfect. I'll come back for road tests and say, oh, there's a bit of a knock from there. And they'll immediately come back going, oh yeah, I heard that. Always makes me laugh. It's like going to doctors and saying, tell me what's wrong with me without actually looking at you. So once we've done the road test, we will then take pictures. So we will literally take pictures all around the outside of the car. This is partly to do things, making sure any curved wheels are noted, but also any corrosion, any details on the car, any marks on it. So obviously from the perspective of damage being done, we make sure we don't damage them. And then it goes into the workshop. Now after that, we will do the same thing again. We will take literally, I think it's about 70 to 80 pictures. And again, this is what all our dealers do. They take pictures of the car, the shock absorbers, the seals, the brakes, everything about it. And that creates a Google record for us in Google Photos, which we keep and we share with you. So you have every single picture. And as you keep coming back year after year, we will start to see comparisons of your shocks from year 1, year 3, year 5. And got customers here, we looked after their cars for 10 years. I can show their left front shock absorber every year for the last 10 years. It's dull, but it does very good of allowing us to see where the wear issues are and how to go from there. So once the picture's been done, once it's all been recorded and details done and shared with you, the owner, we'll then do the respective work it's in for. It could be in for just a servicing or changing accumulators or an oil leak or paintwork, whatever it's going to be. We'll do the work, and then once it's finished off, I will then road test it again. Now, if it's me who road tested it before, I will be the person road testing it after, because I need to compare the car when it came in and where it's going out after the work. So if Tom did it or another guys have done it, they will be the secondary road test. And road tests for us are quite long. We have 4 or 5 different versions. They range from about 7 miles to about 18 miles, and they all do different things. So if we're going in for a geometry, for example, we'll choose a different road test. To a simple service, different road tests as well. It could be a combination thereof. Once that road test comes back, if it's all perfect, we'll come back and do things like testing the oil again, checking the oil, which you checked before to make sure it's right level. And then it's all done up, what we call buttoned up. It's the last process done. And then if it needs a third road test, if it's a geometry, for example, then so be it. If not, it's parked up, ready to go. But each car gets a minimum of 2 road tests, sometimes 3, sometimes 4, depending on what we're looking for, especially rattles and squeaks, etc. But all done consistently between the drivers and the people running the cars. Now, all this is shared with you with a Google Drive picture. So when you come in and collect your invoice and collect your car, we'll send you an email link of all the pictures that we've seen, and you can keep that, access that live. We keep that. We have trilobytes of data of pictures of all the cars we have. There's literally over 1,000 McLarens now we have over in the system. So that information is shared with you. It's also useful when you come to sell the car, whether it's through us or somebody else. You can then share, so here is my car serviced by Thorney Motorsport last year, and the year before, and the year before that. And that's all good in terms of giving information for the new owner to have a contemporaneous record of the car from there. Now, Little things we also do differently. For example, we remove the rear diffusers from all the cars. McLaren dealers tend not to do that. And we do that because it's so much better to check the rear springs for being snapped. It's very hard to check it without the diffuser being on, but it does take on a bit more time. But in terms of the process, it's quite deliberate. Now also, we don't charge for any road test time. So as far as I'm concerned, a technician working the car is billable. Someone like myself or Tom or working the car is not. So that's free. As far as we're concerned, that's us assessing the car for our own peace of mind and to get the best knowledge for you as a process. So it does take a bit of time. It doesn't charge any more. We're obviously a cheaper labour rate, but that's fairly normal. We don't have the overheads. We have a very nice workshop here and very nice showrooms here, but it's not a £10 million showroom with a hot and cold running baristas here. If you want a cup of coffee here, it's probably made by me and it'd be instant coffee and cheap milk. So bear that in mind. We put our money and our investment into the cars, our workshop and our customers rather than we do in terms of our infrastructure. Anyway, so I thought that was worth sharing. Looking forward to getting you here and working the car. You'll see we're very different and proud of that fact. We're not saying to criticise other people, they do it differently, but for us and all of our dealers, our attention to detail is where we think we shine and why we are, as you see, quite successful. Okay, thought it was worth sharing. Hope that's useful. Talk to you soon. Cheers.